Hi everyone, I'm Josh from Brilliant Labs. For our mission on water, you're going to be using your rover to go to 3 different specified locations where there's Martian soil on the Mars surface, and you're gathering information on what the soil moisture level is at each of these 3 locations. If you go to brilliantlabs.ca to your Mission Mars website and click on Mission Water, you'll find information here on how you can make your own probes that you can connect to your rover, and these are the probes that are going to need to go into the soil. And from here you're going to be using analog voltage readings in order to get measurements. Now there are 3 different levels of points for collecting the soil moisture level. The easiest is you get 5 points per each of these locations that you collect. You get a bonus 3 points if you're able to collect soil moisture level at all 3 locations, and finally an additional 3 points if you are able to report the high, low, and average soil moisture readings for each of these for a total of 21 points. For more information on our other missions, be sure to check out our other videos.